The Greedy Dog and the Bone.
I don't want it.
But why? It's such a good toy.
I asked my mom to buy me 2 toys, but she got me only 1.
Now don't act greedy, Mintu. Let me share with you the story of the greedy dog and the bone and tell you what happens when you are greedy. Once a hungry dog was lucky to find a piece of crunchy bone from the butcher's shop.
Splur! It's my favorite snack. Woof!
Grabbing the bone tightly between its teeth, the dog hurried back home, mesmerized with the idea of enjoying the bone in a cozy corner of its house. On its way home, it came across a narrow bridge overlooking a lake. The water in the lake was crystal clear. As it walked merrily over the bridge, it noticed its reflection on the surface of the clear water. The foolish dog mistook its reflection in the water to be another dog out there also carrying a bone between its teeth. The dog thought to itself,
"What? A dog with such a big bone? I must somehow have that big bone all to myself. Let me snatch it off from that evil dog."
Without a second thought, the dog barked furiously and instantly jumped at its reflection in the water, aiming to snatch that big bone. In the process, the bone slipped from its mouth and tumbled into the water. The dog struggled not to drown in the water and barely managed to reach the banks to safety. At last it realized how foolish and greedy it had been. It turned home, hungry and sad, but wise, with the lesson that it is very foolish to be greedy.
No, I don't want to be greedy and end up sad like that dog.
Then let's play with it, Mintu.